Looking for skins makeup for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, by Hand Skincare Cosmetics. One of the most popular choices for this Christmas and holiday season gift guide. Number 2, by L'Oréal Paris. One of those things everyone on your list will love to have. Click the link below for more ideas. Number 3, by Glow Skin Beauty. One of the most wished for in 2018. A must-check on our Christmas holiday gift guide. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.